watch you do the Macarena somewhere.
Crimson Fantasy.
Hey everyone, welcome to a Crimson Style vlog, the Foggy Night Edition. Ooh, you can't really see the fog out here. It's pretty damn foggy. And we got here Val. What up, Val?
What up?
So we're just trying to figure out what we want to do tonight.
We're hungry. We don't know if we want to go and have a buffet
Buffets are good.
or we'll go to maybe Boston Pizza.
You know, like with buffets, when me and Val go, we take out the whole tray. We just we bring the tray over and we just eat it.
Don't judge!
Okay, so now we're gonna go to the buffet. We're gonna go to Mandarin. I don't know if you guys have that in the world. I'm pretty sure that's everywhere. Is Mandarin everywhere?
Yeah, it's pretty global. It's pretty global.
I went there one time and I had their pizza and it was really good. Yeah, I was like, I wanted to see how Mandarin takes on pizza.
Maybe, I don't know, how 2 hour and 30 minutes or something for us to eat?
Yeah, we're gonna clean the place out. We're gonna be like bank robbers.
Hopefully they're not closed. Wait, it's a Friday. Mandarins don't
No, this is
Friday,
like peak hours for them. It just looks like it's closed
Hey, look,
over there.
Aren't we naughty? That is an adult store, if you know what I mean.
Where's that? Oh, where's that? Oh,
Right there on the other side.
I'll zoom in on that.
God, Steve, you don't know what I'm talking about?
Should we do a segment where we go into a sex store?
No, I do not know, because I know you.
Val, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's go into Aren't We Naughty?
I know how you are, and you're gonna be like, Val, put this on, or Val, oh my God, I could see you put this on inside your girlfriend,
The funny thing is about Val is that she knows how I am and she knows how uncomfortable I'll make her in that situation. She just knows me too well. I'm just going to the store right now to take out money. Val's looking for her phone. We were so busy eating. We only had an hour and we ate as much as we could. I'm literally full. I have never ate so much. I'm gonna tell you what Val ate after. But yeah, we had so much. But yeah, she's gonna come and pick me up in a second. She's still finding it. I explained everything while I was walking there, Val. Hey. So we found it.
Yeah, we found it. So it wasn't in my car. It was in the Mandarin, and it was on the floor behind my seat. So I must have, when I took off my jacket, it totally just fell out of my pocket.
Isn't that the worst? Nowadays it's whenever you sit down or something, I've had change come out, I've had my wallet come out. It's the style of clothes and jackets nowadays.
And it's so, you wouldn't even know, because nowadays our phones are so thin.
It's so slick, yeah.
You wouldn't even know it fell out, or it won't really make a big thump because it's so thin.
And so Val, what'd you have for dinner?
Everything. I had.
We took pretty much 2 trays at once, or 2 plates.
Okay, you can't joke around. If you want to go in the Mandarin, you just go at it. Okay, take 2 plates. No judgment. Okay, it doesn't mean you're
Doesn't mean you're what?
Are you taking these cars looking like it's the Chinese mafia here? Come on.
Oh my God.
What are you trying to do?
No, I was just showing a shot of Mandarin. It looked nice.
Yeah, and all these cars are coming in. Now they're gonna have their special meeting. Stop.
They're gonna kill us now. It's so true how they came in. They were 1, 2, 3, and it was it was all synchronized.
But if it was Chinese mafia, they would have really nice cars.
They're kind of.
Rich Asians. Oh my God, love the movie. So good.
I'm wearing your hat.
Somehow all you can hear is I want my hat. Well, I'm gonna wear your hat. So he's gonna wear my hat. Steve, Honestly, man, you look like... No, Steve, please take it off.
Why?
We're not yodeling up on the mountain and...
I want to see what I look like.
No.
I look like a pretty lady.
No, you don't.
Well, what do I look like?
It looks like a condom that says, like...
Why are you filming so high up?
Because I'm just taking a picture. Basically, I'm videoing your facing. Okay, so me... Okay, see, I'm really full. Like, my tummy. I'm full. And, yeah, don't mind my place. This is my place.
Messy.
Car.
Messy
Car. I apologize. But...
I'm gonna put this as the Val cam. I'm Val.
Hiya! So, something trigger what? What were we talking about? We were listening to a rap song, me and Steve, okay? And the beat was taken off, what's it called? Chrono Trigger, what is it?
It was like a Chrono Trigger sample from a video game.
Yeah.
It was like Wiz Khalifa. And like, I showed it to Val because
I didn't know that.
Some people at work say like I kind of flow like that and stuff. And like, I looked at it, I was like, yeah, you know, like, it just shows that like influence it comes all around. Like, especially the stuff you listen to as a kid. Like, you know, like when like parents are like, take that shit off. It really does influence you.
Yeah.
You shake it. You just
Meaning nodding.
Oh. Okay.
That's true. It's very true. Like, our generation... Whoa, I just do my ugly face. That's right. So, you know.
I have a question, though. How do you feel about how I said, like, I was going to pimp you out in my song?
That was very crafty. Very crafty.
See, this is why I love Val, because, you know, like, any other person would be like, oh my god, you're gonna pimp me out in the song. I'm like, it's all just for fun.
But, yeah. But you know what? No kissy for real. Sorry!
No, Val makes you go downtown first.
Why are you telling the secret, Steve?
It's... Okay, yeah, it's like I'm a plot spoiler. Like, you know, like in like a season, I tell you.
Now
like,
I'm gonna cover my beaver. I'm just joking. I don't have a beaver. Okay.
That's what Canadians call their pussy.
Okay, no one's that dumb. Everyone knows what a beaver, or do they not?
Not for kids 13 and under. We do not want them watching.
That's why you like that. That's why you're so like small.
Yeah, let's do it. What, Val? You want to play this? Yes, let's do some motorcycles. Val wants to get a motorcycle one day. Tit shot. Now we're gonna play this.
You want to do you know how to learn how to drive?
Yeah, let's do it. Val, you're going down. I'm gonna kick you.
Me on the motorcycle.
It was like
head to head.
It was.
And you just like zoom past me.
And they took a picture of our faces. It was weird. I know. I looked like I was like deranged or something. Look at that sexy mugshot. Look at Val. You'll beat me next time. So I just challenged Val to air hockey. So bad.
Yeah, let's see if I'm going to beat you. Let's see if your skills are really good.
Yeah. The moral of the story is...
Moral of the story is, I'm 7 and he's 3. What? Who won?
I was on this side. Val cheated.
I did not cheat.
She blocked it with her tits. Like her tits were goalie. Surprisingly enough, Val's good with his shotgun. She was using two at once at one point. So in total we got 800. How many tickets did we get?
I guess in total because I got 300? No. You got 300, right?
300, yeah.
I got 100 and something?
Yeah. So, no, I got 600. I got 600.
Oh. Hey, you beat me to it.
I can smell the rubber.
I remember you.
Wow, you can actually win a Nintendo Switch. We were saying how we'd have to devote our life to like come here.
This reminds me of dodgeball. Do you remember dodgeball, Steve? Are you
Yeah.
afraid of dodgeball?
I wasn't afraid of dodgeball. I hit you in the head.
Marston was. I remember. When he
Yeah.
was watching the gym, he
Yeah.
was like, oh my god, I can't pass anyone.
Oh my god, foul. Woo! I don't think we're like scared of vlogging anymore, are we? Oh, look at the kid with the patch on his eye. Isn't that from like that show?
Yeah.
That's what a basic bitch would want. Those like.
Oh my god, look at these shot flashes.
Oh. Oh, we got Fortnite shit. Ranchiums would like this. Fortnite. He hates Fortnite. You don't know what Fortnite is?
Oh yeah, okay, never mind.
Oh, we get a Harry Potter wand.
Okay, so what do you want to do with your point?
Yo, look at how dirty she is on Tomb Raider. The one game I wanted to play, and it's out of order. I was saying how I wanted to play this game and it's out of order. Look at how dirty her face is. Oh, now they fix it. So what did we end up getting? Why do they look like they're in condom wrappers?
These do not look like condom wrappers.
We